Okay, hey, well, here we are again Saturday morning, North Olympic Peninsula, and we are inching up toward our next milestone of subscribers. We're at 692, and hopefully in the next week or so we'll be at 700, at which time we will have
a drawing.
A drawing.
Yes. And this is the watercolor I painted for you guys. It's the foot of Lincoln Street. And when you go down, you park at the light, and that's what you see if there's a boat in there. So let's see who's going to win that one.
Yeah, so this is an original. It's not a copy. It's on a giclée. And so about 50 years from now, this thing is going to pop up on Antique Roadshow. It's going to be worth big money. So
yeah, we'll be dead. We won't see the money.
Yeah, you get the one and only. Okay.
Anyway, so if you'd like to be part of it, please subscribe. And you know how to do that. You click the buttons and all that junk.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
And
so we need to hit 700 before we have our drawing.
So how it works is that we will have whoever wants to make a guess as to a number between 1 and 1,000.
Well, let's go over that later.
Yeah, we'll go over that later. Okay. So we're Brent and Amy Powell. We're realtors. We've actually rehearsed this today.
Did you get
so it gets incrementally better every time. Oh,
jeez, that was too good. Winnie's ball went into the sky chair, and she was just running around trying to get it out. It was hysterical.
Okay, we are easily amused. So,
anyway, did you talk about Ennis Street?
No.
Okay, so the tour is a going down Ennis Street. It's from the college down to the waterfront.
Yeah.
It's kind of a pretty used
it's
street.
one of the main streets here.
Yeah.
And so Amy and I represent buyers and sellers in the transfer of property. We love what we do. We would love to help you if you're thinking about either buying or selling here in the North Olympic Peninsula. Please call either one of us, and our numbers, I think, are on the screen.
And we are with...
And we work with BrokersGroup in Sequim. And we represent everybody in this whole area. So we'd love to help you. Give us a call.
And so what we're going to do now is read the homes that sold this week, so you guys can all get an idea of what's happening. Let me just stick this up here. Okay.
You're on.
I'm starting. Starting in Port Angeles, from the least expensive to the most expensive. The first one is Those are Winnie and Berkey. They're dogs. They do dog things. Listed on West 12th Street for $305,000, and that's what it's sold for. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 16 days on the market. That's pretty good. Built in 1984 with 1,148 square feet and on 0.16 of an acre and a territorial view.
Okay, our second house is on West 11th Street, and it was originally priced at $374,950, sold at that price, and it has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 66 days on the market, built in 1995 with 1,274 square feet, with a standard lot of 0.16 of an acre.
Okay, next one is on Straightview Drive. I think we showed this one. Listed for $549,000. It ended up selling for $530,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 60 days on the market. Built in 1963. Oh, this is Doc's place. With 1,608 square feet on 0.66 of an acre and a mountain view.
Okay. Next one is on Vogt Road. Do you know how to say that? Vogt? Bog.
I don't know.
Anyway, VOGT Road. And original price is $749,950. Sold for $660,000. That's just almost $90,000 less than asking. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 98 days on the market. Built in 1990 with 2,828 square feet on a 0.99 of an acre. With mountain view.
Very good. And we are on Irving Jacobs Road. I don't know why they name things. There's a John Jacobs Road. There's an Irving Jacobs Road. This one was listed for $689,950, and it sold for $682,500. And it included 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 25 days on the market, built in 1933 with 2,330 square feet on a little over 3 acres and a mountain view.
I'm just waiting for John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt to come on.
Well, we have a John Jacobs, but we need a Jingleheimer Smith.
Yeah, for
Street.
a road. I mean, that would round it out.
Yeah.
Okay, the next one is on Drake Road.
That's a Manu.
And this is a manufactured home. And originally priced for $105,000, sold for $95,000. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, 31 days on the market, built in 1970. 920 square feet. And it's leased land, so there's no acreage to it, with a territorial view. And that one is in Sequim.
Yeah, we've moved on to Sequim.
We've moved on to Sequim. Good grief.
And just FYI, none of the homes this week sold over asking. I think two sold at asking. Everybody else is less.
Yeah.
The next one is on Marjorie, which is in Parkland. It's a manufactured home park. Listed for $249,000. This little guy dropped $91,000 to $158,000.
Wow.
2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 236 days on the market. Built in 1981 with 1,905 square feet, leased land, and a neighborhood view.
Okay, Woodcock, and originally priced at $255,000, sold for $242,500. 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 14 days on the market, built in 1981 with 480 square feet, cozy,
Yeah,
and
condo.
Condo with a golf course view.
Very good. And the next house in Sequim is on Bakehouse something, road or street. Listed for $330,000. It sold for $318,000. 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. This one's a condo too. Was on the market for 79 days. Built in 1974, and with 1,206 square feet. 0.01. Their finger slipped. That would be the size of this table.
Small lot.
Yeah. Moving on.
Territorial. Okay, Dungeness Meadows, a little development just south of Sequim, and it's originally priced $375,000, sold for $365,000. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 15 days on the market, built in 1990 with 1,188 square feet, with 0.21 of an acre and neighborhood view.
Very good. Next one is on West Hammond. It was listed for $399,950 and ended up selling for $369,000. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 147 days on the market. Built in 1966 with 1,104 square feet on a 1/4 of an acre and a neighborhood view.
Okay, Alpine Loop is there. Next home, $489,000, sold for $430,000, and that's 59 under. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1 half bath, 21 days on the market, built in 2002, 1,580 square feet, with a 0.15 of an acre and mountain view.
All right. The girls are vocal today. Is that vocal or would they don't have voices? Anyway, the next house is on Old Olympic Highway, which was the old highway. Listed for $499,900. It sold for $450,000. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 123 days on the market. Built in 1963 with 1,654 square feet and a 0.82 of an acre with a mountain view.
Okay. Heron Way is our next home, priced at $480,000, $259,000, sold at that price. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2 days on the market, built in 1995 with 1,487 square feet. And this is a condo, it looks like. 0 acreage, neighborhood view.
Yep. Moving on to Falcon Road. I don't know where that is.
I don't know either.
Was listed originally for $699, and it sold for $659,000. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 104 days on the market. Built in 1990 with 1,918 square feet and on a half an acre and a territorial view. I don't know where Falcon is. Go for it.
Falcon. Marigold Lane. We know Marigold.
We do know Marigold.
This home was priced at $740,000, sold for $725,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 35 days on the market. Built in 2007 with 1,822 square feet, and it has a little acreage, 6.42 acres with mountain view.
Cool. We're coming to the last half dozen.
I know, a lot. There's like 5 in Port Angeles.
Yeah, the 15 in Sequim.
15 in Sequim. Wow.
This next one is on Streamside Drive.
Streamside.
Streamside Drive. I'm glad I don't live there.
Good.
$899,950. It ended up selling for $850. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 104 days on the market. Built in 2017 with 1,776 square feet on 6.06 acres and a mountain view.
Okay, the next one is on View Ridge Drive, and originally priced for $995,000, sold for $950,000. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1 half bath, 106 days on the market, built in 2022, and it has 2,029 square feet with 2 acres, saltwater and mountain view.
Okay, the second to last is on Weston Parkway. Listed for $998,500. It sold for $985,000. 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 1 half bath, 45 days on the market. Built in 02 with 3,494 square feet on 5.12 acres and a territorial view.
Well, the last one is, boy, that looks like quite the place. Have you been in this one?
No.
On 3 Crabs Road.
Which is right at the end of the point of Sequim into the...
And these are pretty much walk-on water. In other words, not the Jesus kind, but where you walk out Walk out water. There we go.
No dancing on the water.
Yeah. So originally priced at $1,275,000 and sold for $1,215,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1 half bath, 81 days on the market, built in 2005. Good sized place, 3,345 with a little more than 1/3 of an acre with saltwater view.
I just saw one come on this week for over $5 million.
Really?
It's we don't have them like that.
Yeah, we hate to part with it, but we just got to get it on the market.
No, we don't have anything to do with it, but it's stunning.
Yeah.
I'll be really curious to see if that comes to fruition.
Somebody will write a check for it. Anyway, hope you have a great week. Anything else? Wrap it up.
Are we having a little video of the puppies this week? No,
okay.
Not this week.
Coming events in Port Angeles?
Snow.
Tell them about the new downtown thing.
Okay, the Downtown Association, there's another one called the Waterfront District, and we're involved in that. And we're trying to open up areas. There's a particular area downtown where there's no buildings, and for the last 7 years in the winter they do an ice skating rink, which they have just put up. I think it opens real soon. And apart from that, they're going to use that space for all kinds of fun things during the year.
Yeah. So a couple of weeks till Thanksgiving, and we'll keep on rolling right through.
Less than two.
Less than two, right through the holidays. So don't want to interrupt it. It's been a great week for us.
Yeah.
Hope you have a great week
Tell
next week.
us, wait, tell us what your favorite food is for Thanksgiving. I want to know.
Yeah.
Or tradition.
Or your tradition, yeah.
If you have a special,
Are you sick and tired of
game or-
turkey? So you're going to have spare
we're having
ribs?
ham.
Yeah, we're having ham.
Anyway, let
Okay.
us know. Thanks.
Take care. Bye-bye.